Glass frogs are fascinating creatures known for their translucent skin. Let's explore their unique characteristics. Glass frogs are primarily found in Central and South America, inhabiting tropical rainforests and mountainous regions. These frogs have unique translucent skin, allowing us to see their internal organs, a rare trait in amphibians. Glass frogs are nocturnal, feeding on small insects and spiders. Their hunting techniques are fascinating to observe. During mating season, male glass frogs call to attract females. Eggs are laid on leaves overhanging streams. Tadpoles hatch and drop into the water below, where they continue their development into adult frogs. Glass frogs have developed remarkable adaptations for survival, including camouflage and unique reproductive strategies. Many glass frog species are threatened by habitat destruction and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial. Glass frogs are a testament to the diversity of life. Protecting them ensures the survival of these incredible species.